Hey families, welcome to Star Library Events with Great Star Detroit Wayne County. I am Crystal, your library helper, and this week I'll be looking at excellent library family events happening September 22nd through September 28th. So let's get started. So as always, when you're looking for fun educational activities happening in Wayne County, you can go to our website, which is www.greatstart.org. And in the top left corner, you will find a section called Find Fun. And after you click on this page, it will take you down to, after you scroll down, you will find a section where you can find fun through categories, or you can look at the Find Fun Today section, which is a calendar for all the events happening starting with today's date. So the three events that I have lined up today are wonderful. First, we have Tuesday clubs with Plymouth District Library. And what happens is on every Tuesday, there is an activity that will be taking place based on a theme. So the first Tuesday of the month is Lego Club. The second Tuesday is Pokemon Club. The third Tuesday is Game Club. The fourth Tuesday is Maker Club. And then if there's a fifth Tuesday in the week, it will be a movie club. So what you'll do is participate in the activity at home on your own, and all you have to do is take a picture of you and or your family participating in any of the events, and you can send them to this email here, which is rsrp@plymouthlibrary.org to win a prize. And so this event happens every Tuesday, pretty much from 9 a.m. until about 8 p.m. So have fun. The next event is Preschool Club A to Z, and this program is offered by the Redford Township District Library, and it's only offered to residents of Redford Township. So this event will be starting September Wednesday 23rd from 10 to 11 a.m. And how it works is they give you a weekly take-home kit to help your preschooler learn letters, numbers, shapes, colors, and more. And the take-home kit will include teaching ways to teach your child to identify letters through games, puzzles, and activities. So the kits are available each week, and each week it will be a new letter. It's for children ages 3 to 4. Registration is required. At this moment, there is a wait list for this program, but please make sure that you sign up. You can sign up on our Great Start page for this event under here, and it will take you to the registration page. Last but not least, there is a Paperback Princess program with Belleville Area District Library. It's going to be held on September 26th during the whole day from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. So what they're going to do is post a video on Facebook with stories, dragon facts, and a Name That Princess game on September 26th at 11. And then you can go to the library to pick up a craft kit while supplies last. Registration is also required for this event. Registration has already begun, but you can register here on the link that's in our event entry. And as you can see at this moment, there are some slots available. So sign up as soon as possible. So these are our Star Library events happening during September 22nd through September 28th. Thanks for being with me today. As always, please go to www.greatstart.org to find more fun and help. See you next time.